Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete old YouTube videos. To delete old YouTube videos, you can follow the steps. You could use a web version, but I'm using an app. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. Now, for the application, you have to install YouTube Studio and make sure to log in with the same account or from where you actually want to delete your old videos. So, when you open up your YouTube Studio, go to the content section. You'll be able to find the content that you've uploaded. Now in the left menu, you just need to hover to the video, or you just need to click on view all section. And then you want to scroll down, locate the video that you actually want to remove. Simply go and click on the three dot icon, continue delete. And this way you'll be able to delete old YouTube videos on your device. So this is the way you could delete old YouTube videos. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Also make sure that you're connected to a stable internet while doing this procedure.